CogniHoney is marketed as a natural cognitive support supplement. The product typically promotes benefits such as improved concentration, better memory retention, enhanced mental energy, and support for overall brain performance. The branding often focuses on natural ingredients and positions the product as an alternative to heavily caffeinated energy drinks or synthetic nootropic formulas. But the big question is, can a honey-based brain supplement really improve focus, memory, and mental clarity, or is it simply another wellness trend wrapped in clever marketing? That sounds appealing, especially for people who struggle with brain fog, low focus, or mental fatigue during long work days. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. At first glance, it sounds appealing, especially for people who struggle with brain fog, low focus, or mental fatigue during long work days. However, one important thing to understand is that supplements are not magic solutions. Many products in the cognitive wellness category use ingredients that may support brain health, but individual results can vary significantly depending on age, lifestyle, diet, sleep quality, and overall health. When reviewing customer feedback, you'll often find a mixture of positive and negative experiences. Some users report feeling more focused, alert, and productive after incorporating the supplement into their daily routine. Others describe subtle improvements in concentration and mental clarity, particularly when using the product consistently over several weeks. On the other hand, complaints commonly seen with cognitive supplements often involve expectations versus reality. Some customers expect dramatic changes within a few days and become disappointed when results are gradual or difficult to notice. Others report little to no difference after finishing a bottle. Another factor worth considering is transparency. Before purchasing any supplement, it's important to review the ingredient list carefully, verify dosage information, and look for clear manufacturing details. Reputable supplement companies generally provide comprehensive information about what's inside the product, rather than relying solely on marketing claims. Pricing is another area consumers should evaluate. Brain health supplements can become expensive when used long-term, so buyers should consider whether the potential benefits justify the ongoing cost. So, what is the overall verdict on CogniHoney? Based on the available information, CogniHoney appears to be positioned as a wellness supplement rather than a guaranteed solution for memory or focus problems. While some users report positive experiences, others report limited or no noticeable results. As with most supplements, outcomes depend heavily on individual circumstances and consistent use. If you're considering trying CogniHoney, review the ingredient profile, manage expectations, and remember that factors such as sleep, exercise, nutrition, and stress management often play a much larger role in cognitive performance than any single supplement.